Well, hello and welcome back. I appreciate you coming back to my channel. And hopefully we got a nice one for you today. I got a nice load of $50 bills here. And well, let's see what we got. I'm going to check for star notes, fancy bills, and, three of a kind, four of a kind, all the rest of it. So let's see if we can't get it. So thank you for coming back. And before I forget, please do the subscribe thing if you like what I'm doing, and sharing, the liking, all the rest of it. It really helps out the algorithms. Thank you so much. So right off the bat, we haven't got much there on that guy. This one ain't a heck of a lot either. Now these guys are pretty well beat up. These are some beat up bills here. Unbelievably. Now this is interesting. Got a pair of fives and a pair of deuces there. Pair of fours. And yeah, a lot of them are beat up. Now I got a stack of bills the other day. There's a pair of ones. Oh, look at here. 81 and 81 on the bookends. That's kind of cool. I got a stack of bills the other day, and I think it would have been kind of a boring video because literally out of the stack of 5,000, there were over $4,000 worth of consecutive brand new bills. And there was no star notes, of course, within the consecutive bills. One number right after the another. Very nice bills. I love the bills, but for content-wise, I don't think it would have made a good content. So, but you can really tell when you got new bills compared to a stack like this. It's about half the size. Pair of fours, pair of sevens. So that was kind of an interesting deal with that. So deuces, of course, but so I thought, well, I'm going to do something different. I want to get you guys some content. There's a pair of ones there. Pair of fives. Yeah, I think I had $600 worth of non-consecutive older bills. And of course, none of them were star notes. So, pair of deuces. Yeah, when you get that many, you could tell right off the bat. It is kind of cool to get consecutive numbers with that big of a batch like that. That was crazy. Oh, look at here. We got a birth date, actually. I got the year of 1967. And you could run it a couple different ways. The 29th of the 9th month. You could do it that way. Yeah. There's a lot of things you could do with that that particular note. So, pair of eights. Yeah. So I appreciate you coming to my channel, like I said. It's been crazy. I think I've done, what did I say last time? About a little over $1.3 million worth of bills that I've gone through to get the amount of videos that I've got. So, pair of threes on that one. And it's a $100 bill, $50 bill, $20 bill at a time. So, pair of nines there. Takes a lot. Now, here's an older guy here. Couple older guys there. But, yeah, a pair of deuces there. A lot of bank tellers. They all know me now. So I've been doing 50s lately. So I have been contemplating on doing 20s again. Please let me know in the comments what you think of that. Should I go to the 20s again for a while? Yeah, fives and nines. The 20s, I don't mind them. But as far as counting, some of the bank tellers have to count out each bill. And when you got $5,000 worth of 20s, oh my God. I don't think they're too happy about that, counting out that many of them. Yeah, they got 69.69. So, we'll see. Could go back to hundreds again, though. They got a pair of 8s there. 8s are the big dogs, though. That's what everybody wants. Oh, we got 3 5s there and 2 4s. Yeah, they're the big dogs in the house. That's the ones you want to go after. Oh, dropped him. Yeah, what do we got here? A pair of deuces. Not too much. His bills are really old. Yeah, not much on that guy. Not much on him either. Pair of 5s and deuces there. Same thing, 5s and deuces. Well, there's actually 2 pair of deuces. Now, this is an interesting bill. There's actually 1, 2, 3 pair, and then you got the last pair surrounded by the same numbers. That's kind of an interesting bill right there. So, it's only 3 numbers on the whole bill. Pair of 9s, 8s. We're getting down there. I'm looking forward to finding a star note soon. Oh. Not much on that guy. Oh, there we go. There he is. I knew there had to be one in there. Getting my 1% here. Now, this one is not the prettiest bills. He's been folded. He's a what, 2017A. Number wise, nothing to write home about. I'm going to check, of course, and see what kind of rareness factor we got. Now, the last 2 I got, I did check them, and there was not a lot of rareness to it at all. So, this one here, I'll check on that one and let you know about that too. So, very good. We got one. Always get at least one. Pair of 4s. Pair of 9s there. Very good. So yeah, again, please do the subscribe thing and share, like, comment. Let me know your thoughts. Let me know if you want to see 20s or 100s again. You got a pair of 4s there. And a pair of 6s. Yeah, that's always interesting. I'm always interested to find out. Now, here's a pretty beat up bill with a lot of 2s on it. He has been well worn. Very much worn. Now, you got 2 pairs of 7s there. That's kind of neat. Yeah. Let's see here. Not much there to speak of. Pair of 3s on this guy. Pair of 7s on this one here. Yeah. Been doing a lot of running around to all these little graduations going on this time of the year. I'm sure you're all experiencing that. That bill was a little beat up. So I had, we're dealing with that right now. So always fun to see that. And what do we got here? God darn it. Looking pretty slim for another star note, though, I'll tell you that. We've got 257s there. Not much there. Pair of 3s. A couple 7s there. Yeah, very good. One of these days I'm going to find a cool star note. Look at all the 5s and deuces there too. 3 5s and 2 deuces. Yeah, a pair of 4s and 1s there. Yeah, this stack of bills is, other than that star note, there's not a lot at this one here. So it's been a very interesting pair of eights here. Okay, good. And we got 3 ones there. 2 5s. Whoop. Not much on that guy. A pair of deuces there. And not the right home there. And what do we got? A pair of deuces on that one. Pair of ones. 7s. And we are at the last bill there. Holy cows. So, there we go. There's our last star note there. And I really appreciate you coming to my channel and going through these bills. And yeah, let me know what you want to see again. 20s, 5s, maybe $5,000 worth of ones. That'd be an interesting deal right there. But thank you so much, and till the next time. Thanks.